choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety train system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did chance, game over. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bark in a park. We gon' take it, trail lines, headed shorter patterns. Feet bumping ashes, you make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor to always. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
Good morning, everybody. I forgot I was live. Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a blessed weekend, fantastic weekend as I did. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yo, hey, Cal, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone, toe to toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SP.
Listen to this.
You go and start it low. You haven't got the block. You
Haven't got the,
sniper.
you haven't,
Got the safety train system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
listen to this. Happy Monday to you guys.
Emergency. Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker.
Sending you back to your market maker.
Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did chance, game over. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was forged in and thought you fake traders better run from the ball. We don't take it, tread lines, headed shorter patterns. Feet bumping ashes, you make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor to always. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think I'm here. Let's see. Thumbs up on YouTube, please. Yeah, let me put this over here. That's a little bit. We're gonna have to do something with age here.
Yo, hey, Cal, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone, toe to toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got
Can you guys hear the words, or is it too low for you?
That way. Yo, hey, tell them. Yo, I trade to anyone. Let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, choose
You haven't got the. Fake traders. This is a blast. Not trading through open. All right, I think we're ready. Let me say my good mornings and we're going to get rolling here. Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning, It's My Time. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Stud Breezy. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, Crypto Cartel. Melania Nakuna, welcome. And good morning, Luma Air. Good morning on TikTok. Can you guys hear it at all, the song? Good morning, LT. What's up, LT? You've been on fire lately. Good morning, Menike and Company. Welcome back. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, David. Good morning, Bob. What's up, Bob? Repenting Daily. Good morning, Repenting Daily. Good morning, Trade Gun. Good morning and welcome back, Orlando Walters. Been a minute, Orlando. What's up, Botinator? What's up, LT? Again. Yes, I had a fantastically couldn't be better weekend. Thank you. Good morning, Flacco. Good morning, Omar. Yeah, AI made this for one of Shiraz. Taraya. Good morning, Taraya. Good morning, Jose Luis. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Jeff Post. Good morning, Jeff and Sog and Barry and Ken. What's up, Dennis Snader? All right, music's gonna go dim, and I'm gonna make a whole bunch of calls. Making fun of Head and Shoulders patterns, Fibonacci. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's funny. Big crowd today. At least one. Keith's funny. All right, I think we're set. Here we go. Free calls. Start off the show with Litecoin has been calling for since 103 was my first call on Litecoin. It's now going to go to 150, then it's going to go to 200, and then it's going to go to 400. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. So when you double and triple your money, have fun with that. I'm going to call out the next probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll be calling out 35 symbols in a row. Then I'll make your calls out. Not tarding. That's about the equivalent of trading. Not trading through open. And then we're going to go over some fake news. All right. Does anybody have anything good or bad you'd like to bring up? Hey, Keith Palmer, I'd like to bring that up. Thank you for your blessings and your prayers for Keith. And of course, my beautiful wife and all of the support team here. Everybody here that helps bring this to you. Good morning, Keith Palmer. Keith's in the house. All of you should be thanking Keith. Without Keith, none of this beautiful little indicators or anything would be possible. Sorry, bedroom is cutting out intermittently. I don't know what that means, Ken. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Keith is in the house. That's always a great day. And thank you, God, for this beautiful day. And thank you, God, for all of us being gathered here together. Let us serve you while we're here. We ask your blessings upon Keith and Bree and Basil and all of our family members. We ask your blessings upon each and every one of my listeners that are with us and will be hearing this. There's about 400 or 500 of you every time now. It's been growing. And just thank you, God, for everything, the good and the bad. Help us through the bad and let us appreciate the good. Amen. Sound is cutting in and out. Oh, that's not good. Nope, everything's set right. Let's see over here. Dot, dot, dot. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yep, no, that looks real good. See if that gets any better. I unplugged it. Good morning, M.O. CPI tomorrow. Yeah, I'll give it a go. We'll see if we can trade it. Good morning, Janet. I don't know if the sound's any better. I unplugged it and plugged it back in. It's kind of weird with this thing. And then it's, let me do this too. Hold on, I can reset the setting. Let's try that and see if that's any better. No. I swear to God. I'm not buying any more microphones. I'm done with it. All right, let's try this again. Free money giveaway. Type out the number 7 if you can fucking hear me. And then if you understand that it's free money, all indices are going up. Take profit on YM1 is the reason why we're going to have this 44,412. It is lagging. Here is your lagger. It is below the blue line, above the blue line, above the blue line, above the blue line, above the blue line. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, not crossing the blue, and not crossing the blue. So what you're looking at is over. These are already above, 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 not above, above. So we have 5 out of the 6 above. This is the 6th one. It'll be going above. Take any buy stop on any indices until that happens. Matter of factly, I think it just touched. Touchdown. And we still have take profits to go, though. NAS take profit, 26,648. NQ1, 23,754. 6,401 for SPX. 6,425 for ES1. It's over. So I see 7s.
Choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you know it's 30 low. You haven't got the block.
You haven't got the. You haven't.
Got the safety train system. All you trainers out there step up.
That is so funny. You haven't got the Bach. You haven't got the sniper. They made a song about the safety train system. Shiraz, Shiraz, Shiraz. Okay. Buy stops all indices until further notice. I got to get going here. I don't have a lot of time with y'all this morning. I'll be on later today, though, maybe. You haven't got the buck. You haven't got the sniper. All right. Let's pull this over here. And nope, don't want to change the Uno reverse. Let's go with the next one. You haven't got the buck. You haven't got the sniper. There we go. All right. So those are your indice calls. I'll cut back to those in a minute. I would go over to TikTok if you're having too much trouble with the sound, and therefore you can hear both. You haven't got the buck. You haven't got the sniper. All right, where were we? Yeah, it says, hey, Kevin, tell them. Yeah. Listen. It says, hey, Kev. Yeah.
You haven't got the trade to anyone. Tell it.
Listen.
Yo, hey, Kev, tell them.
Yo, Kev, tell them.
Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you know it's 30 low. You haven't got the block.
XRP is still good, just Litecoin is better.
All you trainers out there step up, lining up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency?
Listen.
Fake traders on the floor. Pip.
Fake traders on the floor.
Bleeding out.
Pips bleeding out. Pips bleeding out.
Got margin called. I'm sending you back.
I'm sending you back, not to your maker, to your market maker. Listen to that line. I mean, AI is fucking Eminem.
Everywhere you ask, got margin called. I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News. You make me laugh. We got it.
And now he's making fun of the news.
Covered red fold, yellow folder. Don't matter. Let's go. It's over. Fake traders ditched it. Stand a chance. Game over. It's over. It's over. You can never take from me what I knew today. I was forged in the dark and fake. Traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, tread lines, head and shoulder patterns. Feet up and lashes, you make me laugh.
And now he's making fun of the different old trading ways. Fibonacci and trend lines. So yeah. No, I didn't do this. Shiraz did this. One of our members. I have no talent. I couldn't make this if I tried. All right, I got to get rolling though, guys. Hold on. Pips bleeding. I know. Isn't it funny as fuck? That line alone is worth it. Anywho, here we go.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Good morning,
advisor.
Michelle Glowinski. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live and X. All right, peeps, let's roll. You got your marching orders on everything. Let's take a look at gold, baby. Gold is in a little sell. Great. You guys get to make a whole shit ton of money on the way up. I'll call to where it's going to go and how low this is going to go. Next stop for the sell on gold, even though I wouldn't touch it with a 20 million foot pole. 30-minute sell stop gold to 3,353. Next, let's look for the buy. What's it forming? A 2-hour buy, a beautiful 2-hour buy. I'm going to call it a 3-hour buy stop. Take profit 1, 3,364 on gold, 3,377 on gold. Love take profit 3,390 on gold, and then it will go past 3,400. That is gold.
Demo trade only. I am
You haven't got the
financial
Bach.
advisor.
You haven't got the silver. Can't call it anymore. I'm just going to make these short-term calls for you just because that's what it is. Same thing for the sells. It'll be going down to the 30-minute blue line. Silver, buy stop, $37.91, $38.18, $38.51. Silver. Litecoin, I've already called it ad nauseum. It's the strongest buy you can recommend. Bitcoin, already told you it was going past 120. Now it's past 122. Told you so on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin longer term is going to go to 12-hour. Look at that picture. Look at the difference between the shit of a raw. Look at this difference. Every one of you just pay attention to the blessings you've been blessed with. Look at this difference. Look, this is your typical buy stop, right? Went up. Typical buy stop. This is a triple bottom. That's why it's taking so long. Went up, went up. There's nothing here. On this side over here, you'd be looking at this as consolidation. You'd say, I don't know what the fuck this is going to. Over here, super easy with my system. Pink cross the blue, entering off the orange line, take profit 1 here. Everything is perfect. Bitcoin was a 12-hour buy stop. You couldn't have set it better up. I mean, it's the easiest trade in the history of the world. There it is. Full display, full power of my system. Look at how easy this trade was. Pink cross the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. I would have gone down to the 10-hour probably at least. 10-hour blue line for entry, take profit here, and then of course you'd let it run. Bitcoin will be going past, as I told you already, 123,000. It'll be going past 125,000. That's Bitcoin. Wow.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Filio. Good morning, George. Good morning, GB. Easy. Sevens and yeses if you guys see how gorgeously easy and beautiful my system calls this trade out. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop on Bitcoin. And yet over here, I mean, this is the easiest trade in the history of what you're looking at. Look at it. Everything perfect. Over here, you have no chance with Fibonacci, no chance with any of the old ways of trading. You would lose this trade 93% of the time with my system. It's beyond losing 93% of the time. They're insane. Look at how good. Taraya, thank you. Alex, thank you. Filio, thank you. Thank you, Michelle Glow. Is there no one alive? I think I'm going to kill TikTok this morning. Is no one paying attention on TikTok? Good morning to everybody on TikTok, but I need a little more participation. Good morning, Sixer King, Agramani Swag, Hugo, Kenny J. Welcome to the channel, MWC, Ray. So yeah, amazing what you're witnessing. So easy with that 12-hour buy. My system predicts and calls out the future trades before they happen with uncanny accuracy. Ethereum, same fucking buy stop. I told you Ethereum was going past 4,000. I told you when it was back on the 1800s, 1700s. Give me a break. Easy money now. So this had to be a 3-week. Told you 3-week monthly buy stop. Told you where it was. Look, every take profit hit. Look at the take profits hit. Ethereum's about done. 4,900, then 5,000 for Ethereum. And I told you that shit multiple times, especially when it was down here at this 1,600. Told you. Just like I'm telling you now with Litecoin, you still have time with Litecoin. It's going back to 140. It's going back to 200. It's going back to 300, 400. And that's Litecoin. All take profits were hit for Bitcoin. All take profits are hit for Ethereum. All take profits are hit for XRP. XRP is going to go back to $3.62. That's XRP. XLM. It's going back. And all take profits were hit for XLM. Boom, look at this. Boom, red, yellow, orange. Hit. Take profit of 51 cents, take profit of 62 cents, and eventually it'll go past 80 cents for XLM. Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Lachey. What's up, Lachey? Here we go. Here's some that you have fucking nonstop buys available for. Nike, 3-month buy. Take profit $84, $97, $100, $125. Nike, take profit of $175.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Target,
advisor.
120, 134, 150, 170 for Target. I love that take profit. Then it'll go over 269.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
CVS already hit take profit 1, 2, 3. So then go back there. $70 take profit, $76 take profit, $84, $89, and eventually it'll go past $114. But $89 is my favorite take profit for CVS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Verizon, 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Love it. 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Take profit 1, 2 have been hit. It's going to go back to take profit 2, $47, $53, and it will, 53 is my favorite take profit. It'll go past $62.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
SMCI. It is a 3-week monthly, which means it'll happen a lot, and already is happening a lot faster. Take profit 1.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Take profit 1 and 2 have been hit. Take profit 3 has been hit. It's going to go back to take profit 3, $51. Then it's going to go to $62, my favorite take profit, and then it will go past 119. That's SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
We are looking at a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. This is a perfect buy stop for PFE. Take profit 1, $29. $33, $37, $43. Love take profit, $43, then $62.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Lachey and Grant and Grilliano. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. We're looking at Starbucks. It was a daily, if I remember right. Nope, 3-week. Really? Oh, monthly, 3 months. It's a little more up than I thought. 1 month, 3-month buy stop. Love it. $95, $99, $108, my favorite take profits for SBUX. 126 is where it's going to get to eventually.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
AT&T. Love it, love it, love it. Told you about AT&T. Told you about, I'm surprised it moved so quickly, but 6-month AT&T. Take profit 1, the red line hit. Take profit 2, the yellow line hit. It's currently hitting take profit 3 as we speak. And then it's going to go to $30, and then that's my favorite take profit. It's going to go to $44. Technically, I am going to have to move AT&T to a completed movement. It is completed down here. Flow.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
3-month
advisor.
buy stop. Take profit 1, $18, then $20, and then $22, and then $25. My favorite take profit. Then it's going to meander past $30.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oxy. 6-month, 12-month buy stop, 6-month Oxy. You already hit a take profit for sure, at least one. Take profit to $50, then $60, $65, $70, and then $80 for Oxy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Eventually it'll go past 100. Estee Lauder. Been telling you about Estee Lauder forever. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. It's already in take profits. Has it gone past 100 yet? Nope, but it will. 111, 114. 114
Demo
take
trade
profit.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
146 take profit. 188 take profit. My favorite is 256 for Estee Lauder. Then it'll go past 375 again. TM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
3-week monthly buy stop TM. 197. Nope, make that 200 my favorite take profit. And then it will go past 250.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
3-week monthly buy stop for ASML. Love it. $752. $825. I love the take profit of $850.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Then it'll go past 1100. AT&T's already been called. J&J. I love J&J. This was my favorite for months. Look at J&J go. I told you where it was going. You were called out here at 141. It's at 173. Take profit hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 3 being hit as we speak. Let it run. I am going to call it to go past 188. That's Johnson & Johnson. Told you it's completed. AT&T has a little more room. Johnson & Johnson, I'm just calling for a little more room, even though all major take profits have been hit. AMD, all take profits have been hit. One red line, yellow line, orange line, next previous high. All take profits hit. I'm going to keep calling it till it goes over 227 because I love AMD. Amazon, another completely closed trade. All take profits hit, and the runners hit. All take profits. I just love Amazon. I'm calling it past 243. Netflix. Also, all take profits have been hit. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All take profits hit. I'm not calling Netflix. It's completely overvalued. I don't give a fuck what it does. I'm not calling it. Nvidia. All take profits hit. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. It's all closed. I'm still calling every 30-minute buy stop for Nvidia. Tesla. Take profit 1, 2, and 3 have been hit. Take profit 4 in the middle, whatever, going. It's going to eventually go to 366, then over 427, and then over 500. But Tesla, in my mind, is done. I don't care what it does. We've hit take profit over and over again. You can't ask for a better W. If you guys can't see exactly what, and this is your safety trade right there. It's going to go up right there. If you can't see in my system, green means up, red down, green up, red down. There's your fucking W. Look at your sniper. I mean, some of you are just blind to the truth. I can't help you. Other ones, easy calls. United Healthcare, you still have shit tons of time on United. I would follow this down. I would do dollar cost averaging, buying my way in. United Healthcare, $266, $300, $312. $390. Favorite take profit is $460 for United Healthcare, and then eventually it's going to go past $635.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Costco, hold all your trade calls until I'm finished. Costco, I've been calling out correctly for, I think, going on 6 months. No, it's way over 6 months, probably a year now. Costco was called down here when it was at 8, whatever it was. Costco is going to go past $1,000. That's Costco.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
EURUSD.
advisor.
EURUSD is a daily, weekly buy stop to the blue line on the weekly. You're going to see it go to, and I told you guys have plenty of time with this. I don't want to hear, what's the call on the 30? Who gives a fuck? I'm telling you it's going to 1.17150 on EURUSD, and that's where the fuck it's going. 1.18447, that's your next take profit. Whether it hits this blue line or not, it's going to go up to 1.2000, and that's EURUSD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Gold is 3,353. Yep, thank you, LT. Of course it is. It's going to go exactly. I can tell you to the fucking penny. Okay, to the dollar. Well, depends on how, if you want me to get do an in-depth analysis on stock, I can tell you where they're going to the penny. Good or bad, high or low, up or down. You want me to look at which one now? Good morning, coach. Palladium. Ah, fuck. What is the symbol for palladium? How do you even spell palladium? There you go. Nope, evidently not to us. Well, how the hell do you spell palladium? Is that it? Palladium. Why does that not look like the actual right thing? Oh, I don't know. Are you talking about the metal, or are you talking about this, whatever this shit thing is here with the cryptos? 30-minute blue line. Nice, LT. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not getting to that. All right. I have about 21 minutes. I have about 30 minutes left, and I got to go. Let's see. Did we do everything I said we were going to do so far? You know it's over.
Trade anyone.
Hey, Kev.
Yo, hey, Kev, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone toe to toe. Let's go. Come on.
I will.
Choose your weapon.
I will trade anyone toe to toe. No one ever takes me up on an offer. You ain't got the. You haven't got the.
Safety trade system. Traders out there step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out, one. What's your emergency?
Oh, I missed it.
Traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called. I'm sending you back.
Fake traders on the floor, bleeding out pips.
Yo, market maker, what you talking about?
I'm going to send you back to your market maker.
I'm news, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders ditched, it's dead. Chance game over. It's over. You can never take from me what I meant today. I was 40, standing dark and fake. Traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, trend lines, and it's shorter patterns. Feet up and lashes, you make me laugh. You get my blood up off the floor.
Making fun of the Fibonacci. ADA on Coinbase. Yes, we've called it Cardano a lot of times. ADA, and thank you for saying the brokerage very much. Appreciate you, Meneke and Company. Yeah. Weekly buy Meneke and Company, you would have been in here at 0.64 and it went up to 0.93. You'd have made 50% on your money if you'd have been using the safety trade system. Now, what's it going to do shorter term? Let's see. I want to see what's going to do longer term. ADA. Oh, yeah. I'm good. Yeah. I do believe you're going to see ADA go right up to 90 cents, 0.9. 000. Do I think it's going to go eventually over $1.34? Yes, I do. But ADA isn't as good as Litecoin, in my opinion. But what do I know? I'm not.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Call the ups, call the downs, call them up, call them down, tell you specific numbers to exactly where it's going, just like I did gold. There it is to the 30-minute blue line. Told you. Good morning, Erica. Now, this is my favorite song, this one right here.
Yeah.
Listen to this one, if you guys can hear it.
NASDAQ talk shit.
NASDAQ talking shit. Listen to it.
Let me tell you a story. It started with free gyms. Worked hard every night, but the struggle just begins. COVID hit. Got the
Okay, what he's talking about, at one time I used to have 3 gyms. For about 20 years or so, I had 3 gyms going, and then I went from being a self-made millionaire at 40 to losing everything I had and going bankrupt by 43.
cuts like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree kept it real through the storm and despair. Light in the darkness always shows she cares. From the ashes
Only Bree. My own parents, God rest their souls, had given up on me. They said I would never figure out Forex, that I couldn't do it. Not that I couldn't do it. They just heard me say how many times I thought I had done it and I didn't. My own brother and sister had given up on me. They didn't think I would ever succeed. All my friends gave up on me. One person and one person alone gets all the credit for this system. It's God. Well, okay, one supernatural being, Jesus, gets all the credit for the system. And then the one human being that's believed in me through thick and thin has been Bree. That's where there's that line.
We rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. See the success now, but you don't know the fights. Kev grinding in shadows, perfecting the heights. Safety trade system, built from the dust to the gleam. Unstoppable force, man, we live in the dream. Bingo, bubble all the way to the back.
Can you believe the AI worked in Bingo Boppo into a song? I just think that's funny as fuck.
Respect to the grind, this ain't just a brag. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. So shout out to Bree, standing the test.
And shout out to Bree, baby. Yeah, baby. Yep. Menike and Company, nice. I can't wait for you to buy the system also. Remember all of you who are snagging everything for free that I give out? I just gave you 35 free signals, all of which will come true or have already come true, some of them. I'm giving out free calls every day. For those of you who don't appreciate that and are just taking them and using them without buying the system or buying a monthly, bullshit to you all. God will take care of you. Karma will take care of you. You need to support.
Started with free gyms, worked hard every night, but the struggle just begins. COVID hit, got the cuts like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree kept it real through the storm and despair. Light in the darkness always shows she cared. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. See the success now, but you don't know the fights. Kev grinding in shadows, perfecting the heights. Safety trade system, built from the dust to the gleam. Unstoppable force, man, we live in the dream. Bingo, bubble all the way to the back. Respect to the grind, this ain't just a prank. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. So shout out to Bree, standing the test.
Shout out to Bree. Woo! You know what I haven't even looked at this morning? Oh, shit. Oh, good. We're in the money. I haven't looked at any of my fucking holdings in this account. All right, what you're looking at here is the current, this little account right here. Well, it was little. It's growing. It was less than 2,500. And then last month, and now we're over 26,971. Plus some. We have J&J. Look at J&J continue to go up. PFE was negative for a long time. Now you're in the money. Target in good money. Litecoin in good money. Great money. Litecoin's just getting started. And then US 30 and very good money. So those are my current holdings. You can see the times in. These are all traded live with you or off my calls. These are the sizes, the types, the name of the symbol, the price into the symbol, and then where it's currently at. And that's what you're looking at. If anybody has any questions on these calls, like why I took them or how long I'm holding them for, or why haven't I sold when I'm up $2,000, because it's still going, baby. You got to get the system so you know where it's going. Yeah, baby. Get through the hype. Are you doing day trading? We're doing day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Yeah, we're doing day trading and other trading, yes. You stumbled across a life-changing thing. I would stick around if I were you. Mez. Okay, I'm sliding your name. Milo. What's up, Milo? Good morning. All right. Now, normally I trade through open and I stay till 9:30 this morning. I will not be staying this morning at all till then. Hopefully I'm on by tomorrow morning by 8:30 so we can trade CPI. I'm going to go over something for you guys, very simply put, so y'all can see exactly how these calls are made. Look at this, so easy. Gorgeous. My system is color-coded. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. As opposed to this shit over here, trading raw. All I need is price action to trade. The fuck you do. You don't have a clue of what's going to happen off price action. No, not going to occur. With my system, easy peasy. Without my system, ain't happening. All right, no questions. I've stalled as long as I could. Any other questions? We have a permanent. I have to update my permanent buy list. Oh, I think I did. Hold on. I forgot. Nope, not order of operations. Nope, not the optional add-ons. Hold on. Gonna be wrong. All right. There we go. Here's our list of closed indices. These are all take profits have been hit. We still call them because it's so easy to do. If you were to put $1 in when I told you to on US 30, you'd have $7,000. I told you when to take the trade. It's on my live video of April the 7th. And I called it every day since then for US 30. If you'd had put $1 in, you'd have been drawn down $70, $79, and you'd have made $7,400. Same for YM1, the exact same. NAS, if you would have put $1 in, you'd have been drawn down $58. You'd have made $6,000 since April. If you did the same thing for SPX or ES1, you'd have put $1 in, you'd had about a $35, $40 drawdown, and you'd have made over $1,400. And then I called it every day since. So, sevens, if you're clear on, if you guys would just listen to my fucking calls every day, you'd have turned $1 into $1,400 since April. Now, if you'd have bought the cryptos, Bitcoin, this is back in March 8th of 2023, you'd have 4 times your money still going on Bitcoin. XRP, I called it for over a year and a half at 31 cents. It went to $3.62 and still going, and that's 10 times your money. Okay? I'm now telling, stocks, these are also closed. Amazon, you would have got in at $91, $92, or $93, or $95, or $100. Doesn't matter. I kept calling it over and over again. All take profits were hit for Amazon. I'm still calling it only because I love it. Same for Netflix. All take profits have been hit. Same for NVIDIA. All take profits. Those are closed trades. These are open ones. All indices because, well, we trade them every day. Okay? Cryptos. Litecoin, you still have tons of time to make. I called it at 103. It's now 123. You're up 20% on your money. It's going to go to it's going to go up 50% on your money. Then it's going to go up 100% on your money. Then 200, and you might possibly even make 400% on your money on Litecoin. Still, it's open to you. Strongest recommendation, buy recommendation. Just come back after it goes up to record highs and they tell you, oh, this biggest high, well, then just come back and buy the system. Remember, I told you, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and XLM are still buys, just that Litecoin is better. These are the stocks. Now, these stocks still open. You will be able to buy these stocks for the next several years. I'm giving you out all these free signals, all this free demo money. Why? Because once you make your money, you come back and buy the system. If you don't, you'll have karma on you, and Lord help you on that. As much money as you made, you will lose as fastly as you made it, plus some. Just come back and buy the system is all I ask, and then support us monthly. Nike's going to go up for the next 6 months to 3 years. Target's going to go up for the next 6 months for 3 years. Take any 30-minute buy stop on any of these. J&J is really kind of a close one. I might have to move this over to close, but it's still a buy. I told you this one at 141. CVS a buy, L a buy, AMD again kind of close. Verizon still a buy, SMCI a buy, PFE, S-Bucks, T for AT&T, Starbucks, Flow, Oxy, AMD, United Healthcare, huge buy, Tesla, Costco. Both of these are kind of close too, actually. And there you go. Metals, gold, and silver, still a buy. Gold especially. Silver's already maxed out, uncallable except for gold. I know gold's going to keep going up, so silver will follow. All of these have hit all take profits. All of these are still going to rise up. Take any 30-minute buy stop on any of those stocks, any of these cryptos, and especially Litecoin. Please type out the word yes if you understand that we have closed symbols that have made all take profits. List grows and grows and grows. And then if I'm giving you these free ones right here, they still have many, many months to years to go up. It's still going to go up. And those are free to you. Come back in 6 months, when these 6 months in a year, when these all do exactly as I said they're going to do, then come back and buy the system. I hope I'm clear on that. Thank you, Taraya. Thank you, Alex. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I'm literally telling you what stocks are going to go up, what cryptos are going to go up, what metals are going to go up. Don't tell me you don't know how to fucking trade. You don't even have to fucking just throw some fucking demo money in and watch where the price is. Just buy any of these, and they will all go up from where they currently are. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader, It's My Time, Stud Breezy, Michelle Glowinski, Super Z, Julia, Julius, Jose Luis, Jose, Moody, welcome to the channel, Moody. Good morning, Sog, Kenny J, Geo. Good morning, Chris Holmgren, and welcome to the channel. Vivian, welcome to the channel. RD, good morning, Perspective One, welcome to the channel. ACDC, welcome to the channel. T2023, Living My Best Life, welcome to the channel. TikTok user, welcome to the channel. Aaron, welcome to the channel. Mark Pashani 875, welcome to the channel. There you go. Good morning, Mike Snyder. All right, so other than me giving you away all current daily calls, these are long-term calls. I've given you other calls that are going to happen today. I've given you other calls like gold, which is going to happen in 30 minutes, which it did. These are all the calls, everything here. Nothing ever goes away. These are permanent. Come back later when these all come true, and then just buy the system then. Doesn't matter to me. Do it whenever. All right, any questions over anything? Have you muted TikTok? Nope, not at all. Can you guys hear me on TikTok? Yes or no? No, TikTok should be loud and strong, baby. Yeah, they can still hear me. Nice. Oh, look at y'all saying yeses. Hope you muted TikTok, LT. Oh, I'm sorry, LT. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, TikTok for some reason can't stand when I give out this free stuff for you guys. They do everything in the power to shadow ban me, don't put me out to other listeners and stuff. I'm like, whatever. But usually on TikTok, lately on TikTok, the last several weeks, we've been having 50, 60 people on TikTok. Been fantastic. Yeah, look, my YouTube channel's down to 29 people. That is so weird to me. Because we used to do YouTube 80, 90s, and 100s. I've never seen these 30s in a while, so I think YouTube must be a little pissy at me right now. They all go through their moments. It was because of that. I got you, LT. I'm sorry, I was a little slow on that one. Good morning, Deverton Stewart. Good morning, Deverton. LT. I mean, for the longest on YouTube, we were holding, Mike, I used to average like 120 people. It's kind of weird to me. Now, with the robot coming out, oh, I do want to leave on that, and I got to go. Well, I got time. I got about 15 minutes. All right. So here we go on the robot coming up. So funny to me. All these correct trades, telling you exactly how to make the trades. It's so weird to me on YouTube. Aussie trader, TDYM1 44,000. Oh. Can you chart Riven? If it's chartable, yeah, I can, if it's able to be pulled up. Chris Holgram, can you chart Riven? Sure, let me see if I can pull it up. The only limitation I have is the history they give me on, if it's chartable with my system, I can tell you where it's going. Riven, automotives, I looked at it before. Ooh, that's shitty over here. Where the fuck? Yeah, 3 months, 6 months, they don't give me enough history to show it long term. I always hate that. Weekly, daily, 12 hours. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Nope, can't call it daily, weekly. Probably why I don't have it on my other list. See if I can give you any kind of other hopeful news for you. Oh, that was a nice, easy buy. Yeah, there's way better stocks, in my humble opinion. I can't call this. There's not enough real... Look, I mean, the 12 hours shitty. The weekly showing it's weekly, daily, weekly sell. It's a 3-week sell, and then I don't even have anything for monthly. I don't have anything. Uh-oh. All right. That's my early morning. I'm going to have to get going here. Let me make sure. 11:25 a.m. I'm going to make it wrong. Going to make it right. Good morning, Jake from Blue Tide Acrylics. Jake is one of our biggest supporters here. He makes our YouTube awards for us. If you're unfamiliar with that, we send out some awards to some people. The very best of the best. All right, I'm going to try to go over the Bree-bot that's upcoming. Touchdown, YM1 to 44,412. Let's see what he's going on about there. I appreciate the heads up. Oh, yeah, exactly where I called it from. Told you. And you still have time. Let me be clear on this. I see where it hit it, yeah. 44,410 for YM1 buy stop. You still have tons of time for NAS to go up to 23,645. You still have tons of times for NQ to go to 23,749. That's where it's going this morning. You still have time for 6,401. And you still have time for 6,426 ES1. Those are all your indices and where exactly they'll be going.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Now, there is a robot coming. It does not come in peace. It comes to overtake everything you thought you knew about trading. Let me see. There it is. This robot will be released, I don't know, within a month, not likely, to 6 months, very likely. We're doing some back testing on it nonstop as you speak. For NQ1, matter of fact, I do believe you'll see it released for ES1, NAS, SPX, and NQ1 first. I'm not releasing it if it has a 90%. I'll release it if it has a 95%. It's going to be a fully automace demo trade only robot. If you're in the system, you'll get it for the cheap. If you're in the sniper and the signal service, you'll get it on the down low, the cheapest of the cheap. If you're not in that and you're going to just try to buy it after I release it, you'll be paying, the best guess I can come up with would be $750 a month. Lowest I'll release it to the public for. And when I release it, it's going to be released to the people in the signal service and the sniper first. And then I will release it to the people who have my system. And then I will release it to the general public, probably like a month or two each. And then I'll release it to the general public. Now, the robot itself. Let's see the calls the robot itself has been making. I think we have it activated here. Let's see. Gonna go on the wrong and the right. No, this should be on NAS. First of all, is the robot on here? Rebot. Yes, it is. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's remove all drawings. Aha, there it is. Okay. There is our little call out. 100%. It's scary how accurate this thing is. I got to be honest with you. When I look over, I'm thinking, well, damn, is that just me? You know, nope. This motherfucking thing is that fucking accurate. All right. This pink line might seem like a very simple pink line, but again, I'm going to run it over with you guys so you have some idea of what you're looking at. Miguel Herrera. Yeah. Is the funded trader. Yes, it's still coming. I had to jump ahead to the robot, but when you have this, the funded trader is just going to be the robot version. I guess I can make it an unautomatic trading system for you guys at Funded Trader. But yeah, it'll be the one you're going to want to use, the one that's either the 5-minute/3 minute and under version of the robot, and then that'll get you your Funded Trader. Some of these trades, Miguel, you're looking at like on SPX, like less than a pip drawdown. Less than, in your guys' mind, like 10 ticks, never. Yeah, so you're going to have a little drawdown on the robot, and then some of them are going to be huge. And then you go up to like the hourly, 4-hourly. Those are going to be, this 4-hour alone was thousands and thousands of pips on NAS. This one right here alone, that call from right here, you'd have got in around there, and there it is right there. 2,000 pips. Just imagine you put $1. So say you put a $500 trading account. It might draw you down maybe $20, $30, and you'd be up 2,000 on just a $1 trade. Yeah. And I know some of you, I want longer term. Yep, it's going to work. I mean, a blind man can make the trades on the weekly dailies with my system. You can't miss a weekly daily trade with my, I don't even know how you possibly can miss a monthly or 3-monthly trade with my system. It's impossible. And then we get down to these 4-hour, 12 hours, 1 hour, just, oh, forget about it. And 15 minutes probably going to be the standard robot trade time. It's always a 15-minute move. Because the 15 minutes are inside of the 4-hour. I don't want to get into it too much with you, but it would be 15-minute. And then for you scalpers out there and you people wanted funded trading, yeah, and I'll call it a funded trader account for those of you, and I'll tweak it so it's just funded traders only, but yeah, it'll be there. You're welcome, Miguel. Got the wrong and the right. All right. Well, I love it. All you guys on TikTok and YouTube. Any other things before I roll?
Hey,
All right.
Yo, I trade anyone, told let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SP, and you know it's 30 low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper.
Good morning, Cristobal Armas.
Trade system, all you traders out there step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
No one ever trades against me. That's so funny. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. I'll be on later today. Good luck. Have fun at the open.
Sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News. You make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder. Don't matter. Let's go. It's over.
Have a blessed day, Alex.
It's game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I need.
Roy Rodriguez, how much should we fund an account for?
From the bark in the park.
Yeah, you can ask John Parker. Good morning, John.
You make me laugh. You get my blood up off the floor that always don't work. Come to the winning side.
You're welcome, Grant.
System.
God bless you guys too. Please, I ask blessings upon Keith and Bree and all of our Safety Trade family here and all of you guys. We need the prayers. We appreciate the prayers and thank you for the prayers. We give them back to you tenfold. Thank you all for everything. Hope you have a blessed day today. Lord willing, I'll be on later today. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Oh, that was a nice, easy little.